going to explain you the benefits of affiliate marketing. In order to help you understand the real benefits of affiliate marketing more easier, I have added the top 5 benefits of affiliate marketing. Let me explain you each one of them in detail. The first and main advantage of being an affiliate marketer is that it is completely performance based. The affiliates are paid in commissions only when the desired action takes place. Since there is no fixed sales in affiliate marketing, you can earn as much as you can and there is no limit for your earning. So make sure you are having a specific, achievable, targeted performance. The second benefit is it takes broader marketing efforts. Nowadays, affiliates can be found in almost all markets and product categories that exist. Now, the fact is that many of these affiliates will have an established customer base already. So, these partnerships will help you in expanding your new markets. So, collaborate with your existing market affiliates by contacting them. The next benefit is that affiliate marketing is cost effective. Affiliate marketing can be extremely cost effective if you do it correctly. You don't need to throw away your valuable dollars on things that have no value when it comes to affiliate marketing. It means you need the right affiliate money making system. I'm going to explain you everything on how to get started with affiliate marketing with no initial investment actually. The fourth and last benefit is that affiliate marketing enables easy tracking. This plays a major role if you want to build an effective affiliate marketing strategy. You can actually track everything when it comes to affiliate marketing. Therefore, by now you might have understood the benefits of affiliate marketing.